meet Fred. Today, Fred is my model for me because I'm testing out some, just a different lighting setup that I wouldn't normally do. I've got some corporate headshots next week. And so I'm just testing up some parallel lighting. So I've got two Godox 1.5 meter strip boxes, paired both with AD600 Pros on each strip box. So today, Fred is my compliant model because I was going to have a friend just help me set up, but she's a little bit busy today. She's a midwife, pretty amazing. And anyway, so this is how it looks. Fred's standing in front of it. And yeah, so if you were to turn one of the lights off, it would look like split lighting. So both of them, I've got the grids on them because I didn't want them to flow over too much onto the background. And over here, I have two AD200 Pros. So I'll be using these to light up the back wall because I'll be shooting on location. It's a really, really small area and not enough to set up a backdrop. It's on like a mezzanine floor. So pretty much you can see I've got the three of these lights here. So if I was to stand straight behind Fred there, I've got one speed light on the ground and I have got two AD200 Pros on stands, pretty much all crossing over each other. So it'll give me a nice even spread of light on the wall because they do have white walls. Pardon me. And yeah, so this is how I've got my little setup, and I've just been playing around with this today and it's going to look pretty good.